Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do sweet candy. For that you require color pencil, scissors, eraser and scale and plaster. So write a sweet. W did not come nicely. Rub it. So I wrote it nicely. After that is a grapes. This is a orange. You'll get easy to make it. Here also one more orange and draw a leaf. After that, color it. And this paper is smaller. You need 18 centimeter and 7 centimeter. You can measure it with scale. After that, color yellow and green. Just write separately with sketch pens. So one piece of plaster keep one side. After that, do a line with the scale. After that, color it that. After that, open it and stick it like a roll. After that, you need to stick. So we need to keep some kajus. That time it can be like chocolate which is there inside. After that, keep plaster. One more side also. Like this. After that, cut little. After that, do like this. After that, cut like this. Cut like a cross. One more side also. So first you need to subscribe, share, like, comment.